Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 like black security black screen error on your Windows 11. So how can you fix this issue? Now step 1 is just go to like open up any of your browser in your laptop or PC and just go to the Google and search here. Like you can search on this section like Microsoft security health setup, and you can just write down the download as well. And once you write this down like Microsoft security health setup download, you can just write this down, click enter and let it load. It might take a few seconds. So you will see all the websites of the Microsoft, so make sure do not go on any of the third party website. Just open the first website that comes in front of you, and once you open it, let it load. So you will see something like this. Make sure to scroll down, and here is the the download file or the download link as well, and you can just download it. And now as you can see, like this file has been downloaded. So once I go to into this section, like let's say like this is the app. So what you can do is just right click on it, and once you right click, if you're on Windows 11, so you will be seeing this kind of options. So just click on run as admin, and once you click on run as admin, make sure to complete the test. And once completed, after that like your security issue or the black screen error will be fixed in your computer or the laptop. So make sure to try to restart your machine once as well after the setup is completed, and hopefully it will work for you. So that is all about how you can fix this.